One of the most attractive methods of online business in the world is writing. There are many people who earn a lot of money by writing articles and sending them to companies. In today's training, I want to teach you a method that you can start earning online and achieve high income without having any knowledge of writing. Stay with us with today's tutorial. But before we start, make sure to subscribe to the channel and don't forget to click on the notification. Listversecom is one of the largest websites that publishes general articles on various topics such as entertainment, lifestyle, society, health, and other topics. Many people around the world send articles to this site and get paid for it. They get $100 for each article. You can enter this section first to submit an article. Read the rules and start earning. But I will teach you a method to produce your article just by copying and pasting. Step 1. Find articles. You must first find the articles on the topic you want. For this, you can use Google, or you can use sites like eZine Articles or Article Factory. You can search for good articles on different topics, but we don't want to copy and paste the articles like this. We need to change the structure of the article. After copying the article, we can get help from this site to change the structure. At first, we select our articles and paste them into this site. And as we can see, the structure of our articles has changed and we can send the article and start our online income. Thank you for watching the video. Subscribe to channel and click on the notification bell smash the like button, and I'll see you in the next videos.